Bloxstrap mobile tutorial, full setup and installation guide. You want to run Roblox modes on mobile, right? Well, Bloxstrap mobile makes it impossible. I'll show you how it get it set up in just a minute. First, you can open your browser and go to the official Bloxstrap mobile site. Download the APK and make sure you allow installs from unknown sources in your settings. Once it's download, tap it and hit install. Quick tip: always download from the official source to stay safe. After the installation, you can open the Bloxstrap mobile. You'll need to log in with your Roblox account. Don't worry, it's safe and your credentials stay secure. Once you're logged in, you're ready to access mods and custom features. You can now browse available mods, adjust settings, and even switch Roblox versions if needed. Tip: start with small mods first to make sure everything runs smoothly on your device. The interface is really simple and intuitive. And that's it. Bloxstrap mobile is ready to go. Try it out, explore the mods, and drop a comment if you run into any issues. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mobile gaming tutorials. And that's it. Thanks for watching.